What's going on, my crypto friends? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Well, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and Cardano for today, so be sure to let me know what you think and your opinions in the comment section below. And while you're there, help me support the channel and do so by subscribing and clicking a bell notification so that way you don't miss any more of our videos. So, let's get started. Bitcoin trading at 94,877. We have about we have about 14 hours left in this trading period. I have some markings, not many. We have a marker about 90,000, 91,000. Really is what I would say is a good strong support level that I think we're going to kind of bounce off of. The highest we've been is 108,000. I mean, that's yeah, I mean, kind of far away from now, but not really if you pay attention to what's kind of going on with Bitcoin. But what this is really kind of telling us that if we continue to bounce off this, if we start to go down, because if you look over the last couple of days, right, so the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th, Bitcoin has just steadily gone down and it's bouncing off of that support level that we're talking about. So if it kind of comes up, now we haven't really been up. And if you want to be really precise, if we're looking really kind of like right around 98,000 is kind of the resistance level previously that's going to stop us. But for the most part, I believe that 108 is the top point, but we're going to see that more of getting some rejection around 102,000. But what I'm trying to say is that I believe it's just going to kind of bounce back and forth. We still have some stuff kind of going on in the world that's kind of driving that price. But if you look at it here, the moving average right here, the 21-day moving average, we've broken below it. If we continue to go over the 50-day average, then it could be a problem. But over and all, we're still bullish. We're still absolutely bullish. We're over the 200 EMA. As far as the RSI divergence, right, we've had bear, and we're kind of sitting below right now. It says 46.8. So 46 and 8, it's not bad. So we're going to see some growth coming in with Bitcoin, but don't expect it to shoot up to 150,000. I just don't think it's going to happen. Again, let me know your opinion. What are you going to thought? What's your thoughts on that? We're in new territory, but we're kind of building some market structure here. But I just see us kind of moving into a range for a little bit longer. We'll see a little bit more when the inauguration happens, right? Okay, Cardano. Man, I was really hoping we were going to see this like really launch off, but we didn't. Trading at 0.95 or back to a dollar, which is amazing because I remember when it was at 30. I remember at 30 and 40, and it just seemed like forever, but okay, whatever. Still bullish. We're kind of sitting at 102. It's the same kind of market structure, a little bit that's happening with Bitcoin, kind of, right? It did break. Let's see, back what was that? The 1st of December, it got to $1.33, and then it just kind of like shot down. But overall, we do have a resistance and support level that I'm keeping up on the daily. Right here, you can kind of see it, a strong one. When I'm putting these, I try to make them meaningful, right? So, 84 cents, 84 cents and a dollar at 10 is kind of where I have those, but we broke above it. We had a couple of days that looked like we are kind of stick, but then we just kind of fell and then got rejected and rejected again. And it's looking like we're just going to kind of do that whole thing as well if we don't continue to fall. That is, but even if you look at let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I don't have a 4 hour. Yeah, as far as the 1 hour, we're kind of moving up towards to go above, so it's kind of bearish right now. But over and all, the daily, it's looking pretty good. We just need to see what's going to happen closer towards the end of this time frame ending, right? So that's kind of the thing. 15 hours into it, into the day left of the day is too early. But if we get down to the next the 1 hour, 2, 3, let's say 4 hour mark, for that candle, it's going to kind of let us know what it's going to do a little bit more, especially when you combine the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour, whatnot. But Cardano, I think it will kind of do the same thing. We need to test $1.10 again. But again, also like Bitcoin, we need to check to see what's going to happen within the end of the month kind of area where everybody's freaking out, right? So let's get a market as a total. XRP down 0.3%. Bitcoin is up by 1.2. Ethereum 0.7. Solana 0.1. Cardano is up by 3.7%. So pretty good for Cardano. SUI is up by 10.1. It's pretty much one of the bigger gainers for the day. As far as the market cap goes, not a lot really happening, guys. And you know, like weekly, it kind of sucked. Weekly, Cardano took a hit. Ethereum fell by 4.3, and XRP took a hit at 4.6 as well. And HBAR 9.2, DOT at 10.9, AVAX minus 8%. So a lot of these took a pretty big hit. Virtual 18.2. So weekly sucks. Monthly, yeah, bleeding out monthly. But um, as far as the daily, good. We just need to see what's going to happen towards the end. Let me know what you think is going to happen with Bitcoin. Are we going to reach 115,000 within the next, say, 60 days? And Cardano, do you think it's possible to reach $1.50 within the same time period? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.